How you can make your Facebook account completely private. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can make your Facebook account completely private. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook, and here you have to click on this menu icon, and you have to go in the settings and the support, and again click on the settings. Now here in the top there is the topics and the resources. You have to go in the privacy checkup, and here is the basically 5 options. The one is who can see what you share. You have to click on it, and from here you have to continue, and here you have to make sure that all of these options of the email address is on only me, and date of birth you have to choose the audience of the only me, and friends and the following also only me. And after that you have to go into the how to keep your account secure, click on the continue. Here you have to make sure that this option is the enable, and after the login alerts go back, and you have to option of the how can people find you on the Facebook, click on it and continue. And here you have to go in this friends of friends, and here you have to choose the audience. You have to go back and your data on the Facebook, click on the continue, and here you have to set all of these options, and after that you are able to make your Facebook account completely private. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.